John Wick, with my clans. They really think you really have fans? Squad behind me like a Mayan man. Got this girl breaking like a dam.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Chris Wave Graves. Back at it with another video. Now today we got Chainsaw Man episode 1. Now, long story short, I tried to record on my Hulu account and it wasn't working. If anybody has a suggestion of where I could find like a really good quality Chainsaw Man thing, or like a website or something, then yeah, put in the comments, cause this is the best I can do. I'm not gonna say the YouTuber's name, but for the most part, this person uploaded Chainsaw Man episode 1 on YouTube. Now the quality is 720, but that's the best that we can do. I'm gonna still do my reactions. Nothing's gonna stop me. But I do want to say thank you guys so much for 400 subs. We are actually at 426 right now. So again, thank you guys so much, and we are on the road to 500 subs by the end of this month. So hit that sub button, put your post notifications on for every time I upload. And yeah, let's get right into this video and give this video a like. You know what? Give this video to 10 likes and I got you with episode 2. Let's go. And also, I don't know anything about Chainsaw Man and everything and whatnot, so this is just strictly blind. I never heard of Chainsaw Man besides the trailer. And I know that everybody was talking about it prior, that it's gory as hell. It's fucking epic. Yeah, so let's get right into this. Damn, I wish it was 1080p. I also meant to sit down and relax, get your snacks, get a drink. I got my iced tea. Huh?
落ちた。分かってるって。さっさと殺しちまうか。悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万。やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
That shit ugly as hell. Alright, thank you. Like, the boy about to get copyrighted like a mug.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。種から復活するんで焼いといてください。
よくやったデンジ。闇市でこいつの死体を売れば相当いい値になる。報酬は40万だ。
あざっす。
そっから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料。管理調整費。
Damn.
その他もろもろを抜いて。
So on broke.
これが7万。
70,000.
7万から水道代を払った。マジっすか。いただきます。
Bro.
ああ。
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。 逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
All that for 100, bro.
ね
Okay.
これで3日は食えるな。
だし、犬みてに安い報酬で働いてくれる。
は
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
You gonna kill the dog? What the hell is that?
俺たちヤクザもよ、もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。僕が望むのはデビルハンター。シーデビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力。
Damn. 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 Damn.
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに、こんなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
Bro, nigga got stabbed. OD. Are you telling me? So how the hell does he transform?
普通の死に方をしてほしい。俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Oh my god.
落ちた。俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか？
私はデンジの夢の話を聞く
Nigga,
のが
talk.
好きだった。これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
傷が。落ちた。
どういうこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？なんで？キモ？やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。みんなそいつ食べちゃって。
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ。俺も同じか。
The whole.
さっきのザク悪魔が体を乗っ取ったのか？あんな頭だ。
Holy hell. An eye for an eye, huh? Corny. No pause.
心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだ
You
ね
might as well just.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね
Yep. Go ahead.
そっかてめえら全員殺せばよ借金のバーだぜ
And they called him a madman. Okay. I'm crying. I really wish that this was in like 1080p or like 4K at least.
"先を越されたね。
生きてるのがいますね。
Why the hell is he still in that pose?
"君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの？
抱かす
So hug me. So you'll just hug the random.
"
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
I'll take that deal. Yep. Look around you, brother.
餌って朝飯はどんな
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
Yeah, he already like. Yeah. Take that deal, boy.
最高じゃないっすか
Excuse me. Wow, really great episode. Wow, that's crazy. Like, I like how it came to be of where his dog or his devil had that real strong bond with Denji and literally was like, you know what, I'm gonna help you since you helped me, man, and now you are one of me. And literally both of his arms, his head, everything, chainsaws and shit. Like, that shit is so fire. And the animation, like even though it was 720, like, I said that right? Yeah, 720. Even though it was 720, like, the quality and stuff and like the animation was still pretty good. Like, it was a mix of 3D and 2D at the same time and shit. Like that was fire. And like the movements were smooth too. So yeah, that's a really great first episode. If you guys want me to react to more episodes, give this video to 10 likes, and I got y'all with episode 2 when it comes out. I hope you guys have a good day. We on the road to 500 subs by the end of the month. If you guys haven't put your post notifications on, put it on for every time I upload. Hope you guys have a good day and peace.